This device is called Poka-yoke, or a fail-safe device. This Poka-yoke is linked to the electric screwdriver used by the worker to check for any loose screws that need tightening. At the beginning, the light is orange, and then turns red when there is a loose screw notifying the worker visually. When the screw is tightened, the light turns green. Even if the person does not catch an error, the line will stop automatically. There are many examples like this that help prevent, correct, or highlight errors as they occur.